Quixx, repair it yourself. Stone chips in paint can happen quickly and be very expensive. With Quixx Stone Chip Repair Kit, you can effectively and conveniently repair small stone chips yourself. The professional and repair-it-yourself solution of Quixx. First, apply adhesive tape around the damaged area and moisten the paint. The following step is necessary only in case of rust in the stone chip. Apply the sandpaper. To remove the rust from the stone chip, use only light pressure to remove the rust. Now apply some polishing paste to the sanded area and polish with the included cloth thoroughly. Afterwards, degrease the stone chip to remove any residues from polishing. Now put on your gloves. Shake the paint bottle energetically and put it on the included rubber squeegee. Now spread the paint evenly over the stone chip, carefully applying a thin layer. The rubber squeegee is suitable to treat large damaged areas. For less affected areas and smaller stone chips, a paintbrush may be better suited to treat the area. Simply dab the spot with the brush. Perfect! Leave the paint to dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now wrap the rubber squeegee with the solvent-soaked mesh cloth to carefully remove all paint residues. And clean the area. Now remove the tape and simply wipe clean. After leaving the treated area to dry overnight, it's now time for polishing using the polishing paste to polish the whole area. Perfect! Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself with the professional do-it-yourself solutions by Quixx. We support you regarding other repairs as well. Just see for yourself. Quixx, repair it yourself.